All right, let's go check out the Early Childhood Education Program. Through this program, you can jumpstart your career as a preschool teacher, or you can go on to get a degree in elementary education.
All I know is, it sounds like there's another school going on in there. It sounds like a lot of fun. Let's go check it out.
Hey, Nina, can we talk to you for a second?
So, Nina, what made you want to come to DCTS?
Well, I love children and I like working with them, and I want to be a teacher. So I thought this would be a great experience, especially to put it on your college application.
What is your typical day like? Because it seems crazy in here.
Well, we come in here and we go over what today is, and then we have the children play with toys and that small manipulative. And then we, like, each week we have a different theme. Like this week is farm, and so they will learn about all the farm animals, pigs, cows, horses, etc. And then we have snack, we go over education, we have them do a worksheet, and we give them a game so they can be interested in.
Now, do you have the kids every day of the week?
No, we have them 3 days a week, every week, and our tables in the classroom are set up in 3 tables, and we alternate each week, so everyone gets a chance to be in here.
The Early Childhood Education Program will help you get ready for a career in preschool or kindergarten. If you really want to impact the future, this is where you should start.
The growing need for preschool and elementary teachers makes this program a rewarding choice. Students learn child development and how to operate a real preschool right here.
Students who follow this program of study can earn a CDA Ready certification and credits towards college.